Hello, I'm Eric from Bosch and I'm going to show you how to carve out your festive Halloween pumpkin using Bosch Professional power tools, including some fantastic suggestions on which tools to use from you guys. So the first thing we need to do on any pumpkin build is to take out the top and remove the juicy insides. Big thanks go out to Chris Hutchison, who suggested a circular saw. We came up with a blade this big. The only problem is Bosch don't make a power tool that actually drives something that big. So, as an alternative, we decided to use a diamond core drilling machine because we all know the insides of a pumpkin are extremely abrasive, so you need lots of torque, lots of power, and of course the cutting performance of these diamond segments. Don't forget the PPE though. Gloves on, eye protection, don't want to get hit by high velocity pips, and of course a hard hat. Let's see what happens. Select second gear because it's totally inappropriate, but it'll go for maximum effect. Here we go. This is the GSB 162-2RE high power diamond drilling machine. Fantastic! So, now we've got the lid off, we need to get inside and remove the juicy bits. Thanks Jack Attack for the idea. We're going to use the GRW12E power mixer. Let's see how we get on. I thought that went rather well. So, next step, let's make the opening for the eyes and the nose. Steve Stitch Gregory suggested we use something a bit more powerful than regular tools, and he suggested the GSH27 VC Professional Road Breaker. Why not? Great idea. We're going to need to load it up with a serious chisel. This one here is a self-sharpening chisel from the Bosch accessory program, because who knows, you might be hollowing out loads of pumpkins. So let's go and see how we get on. Ear defenders, it's going to get noisy guys, and helmet. Pips optional. So, as suggested by Mark Perry, to make an opening for the mouth, we need something even more powerful than before. It's not even a power tool. It's a forklift. Let's see how we go. Well, after all that went quite well, I thought. What do you think? Actually, nah. Here's one we made earlier. Just need one thing. The Bosch GLI 12V330. Don't try this at home guys, happy Halloween.